In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Coinbase address safely. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the right address, share it without exposing yourself to scams, and add a few quick checks to keep your crypto safe. First, sign into your Coinbase account. You can use the mobile app or a browser. Take a moment to make sure you're using the official Coinbase app or website and that you're connected to a trusted network. This helps you avoid phishing pages that might try to copy your information. Next, choose the specific cryptocurrency you want to receive. This is critical because every coin has its own unique address format. A Bitcoin address only works for Bitcoin. An Ethereum address only works for Ethereum. And tokens on the Ethereum network. And the same goes for stable coins like USDC depending on the network. Mixing addresses across different coins or networks can lead to permanent loss of funds, so always pick the exact asset first. Now open the Receive option. You'll see your wallet address displayed, along with a QR code. The QR code is simply a scannable version of your address, which is useful if someone is right next to you and wants to send funds quickly. If you need the app or the website, I've placed the official download link and the official site link right at the top of the description to make sure you're going to the correct place. When you're ready, copy the address using the Copy Address button. Avoid typing it by hand. Crypto addresses are long and a single wrong character can send funds to the wrong place. After copying, compare the first few and last few characters with what appears on your screen to confirm you grabbed the right one. Share your address only through trusted channels. A direct message to the sender works well, a secure email is fine, and if you're in person, let them scan your QR code. Avoid posting addresses publicly unless you truly need to, as it can attract spam or confusing messages. Before the sender transfers funds, ask them to double-check two things: that your address matches exactly, and that they're using the correct network for the asset. Crypto transactions are typically irreversible, so this quick confirmation is worth it. Keep your account safe by never sharing your Coinbase login or recovery phrase with anyone. Turn on two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection. And finally, if you're unsure, start with a small test amount to confirm everything arrives correctly before sending a larger sum. Thanks for watching.